Easy to access frequently used functions. Push one button to prepare ingredients with the skill of a master chef. Mix mode. Intermittent operation of the motor reduces loss of meat to mincemeat without forming clumps. Create delicious hamburgers quickly and easily. Chop mode. Consistently chop light ingredients that have a high water content. Dice onions into even pieces with no watery mess. Frozen mode. Powerfully processes semi-frozen fruits and vegetables.